So writing the paper, it takes some time, and the people should know that. Also, you have to find the good solution. That is the key, because when the people going to looking at, or when the journal going to accept, or when the reviewer going to provide a highly recommend for the publication of the paper, so surely they can see, will this paper make a significant contribution? That is the key. And many times the reviewer may not see directly from the paper, given even though the author write that in the paper. First, mainly because the reviewer doesn't have much time to review the paper. Everybody is busy. And when the people review the paper, usually they spend maybe half an hour, maybe 1 hour to read the paper, or the more, or about 2 hours. And if they are not going to see clearly in terms of how the research contribution from the paper, that will not give a very good recommendation for the publication from the reviewer point of view. So my suggestion is, writing the paper takes some time, and better to spend time to write a good paper, given the good research result. So given the good research result, but also consider to take more time to write a good paper, mainly because better the author of the paper spend more time to write the paper, better than the reviewer spend more time to review the paper. So if the author spend time to write a good, clear paper, the reviewer spend less time to review, that means highly going to recommend for publication. But if the reviewer spend a lot of more time, so that didn't look good.